This is going to be a short video. So given two vectors, I'm assuming non-zero vectors. I guess I'll squeeze that in on the screen here. Non-zero vectors A and B. You can visualize them like this. The question is, which way do we point A cross B? We learned that A cross B is orthogonal, so we know it has to form a 90-degree angle. It has to look like that or like that. And the question is it this one or is it that one? And the answer, it turns out, is again the right hand rule. And let me sort of explain what I mean. I'm not going to pull out my fancy augmented reality thing, but the idea is you put your right hand on this vectors and you curl your fingers starting at A towards B. Your thumb is going to point in the direction of A cross B. So let's just see if we can say it like this. So if your right hand fingers, if they start at A and they curl towards B, then your thumb points in the direction of A cross B. And so in this picture, hopefully you can see, I'll let you answer the question now, which is it? Is A cross B that vector or is it that vector? Take a moment, think about that. Pause the video if you need to. Hopefully you realize that it's this one. So we've got the direction of A cross B. And so in the next video, we're going to begin to ask ourselves about the length. Remember, vectors are defined by their direction and their length. We understand the direction in the sense that it's orthogonal to these two. And now we want to ask ourselves, is there any meaning or significance or formulas for the length of the cross product? And we'll do that in the next video.